Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a hyperlink into the text, or how to insert a link inside the text on your Canva doc on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a hyperlink or how to insert a link in Canva docs inside the text. So for an example, here just going to type add link. I'm just going to insert a link inside this text. For that, first of all, just going to copy my YouTube channel URL. You can just copy any URL or any link. Now, while just selecting the text, you have an option of link pop up here. You can see it's named as link. Click this. Now, you enter the link or search. You just need to paste this. And here you have this option to display mode. If you just need to click done. So now display mode is turned on. Now you have three options like embed, title and link. You can choose anything. So now just while clicking this, you can see there is a pop-up of the link on the text. This is how you just insert a link in your Canva docs on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.